Meaning of distributive.
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 Distributive. Distributive refers to something that is divided or dispersed among a group or individuals. In mathematics, distributive property refers to the rule that states that the product of a number and a sum is equal to the sum of the products of the number and each addend individually. In everyday language, distributive can refer to anything that is evenly distributed or apportioned among a group. For example, a company may distribute bonuses to its employees based on their individual performance. Distributive measures ensure that resources are fairly allocated and can help promote equality.